that, Lydia?
Aurora.
Aurora, do you want her to come live with us?
Yeah.
Should we bring her inside?
Yeah. I know I want her.
You do?
You do?
Look, give her a big hug. Say hi.
Facebook. Random some.
That's a mighty toy. That's a mighty.
Too.
Connor. Connor on the wall. Connor, I'm waiting on the wall. Dad, look what I got.
Yes.
It's my time. You see?
Push the red button. Push this right here.
The one way.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks, Grandma C. Thanks, Grandpa Monty. I love you.
Oh, you got a big hill to go over. Yes.
Forever.
You're going to keep the little bow on forever.
No questions in my
Ah, okay, Connor, stop. Let go of the button. Look at it, buddy. Wait, Connor, look. If you want to go backwards, look, see this button right here? Wait, stop. Get back on it. Get on. Yep. Now get back on the truck. No, get on the truck. Wait, Connor. Get on the truck.
It's okay.
Now push the button.
I know what we're going
Okay, now push up the button again and go forward. Push the little red button, the big red button.
Was that my last present? Was that my last present?
Okay.
Happy birthday, Jesus. I'm so glad it's Christmas. All the pencils and lights, presents are nice, but the real gift is you. Happy birthday, Jesus. I'm so glad it's Christmas. All the pencils and lights, presents are nice, but the real gift is you. Happy birthday, Jesus. Oh, where? Where are they?
Hmm?
Where are they? Where are they? That's everybody. No, that's
Oh, those are her hubs.
Welcome
Those are her hubs.
Mommy, it's time for me to eat. Brown and muddy.
Mouth helps.
What?
Like that, yeah. Sometimes it helps horses eat.
Not looking. What is she doing? She's like wiggle. Ah! She's wiggling me all around.
Oh.
I'm holding this with her. The tail. It moves.
Oh.
Now what?
Brush her tail, Lydia. Brush her tail with the brush.
And I'm going to see what it does.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Funny if the horse did. Do the tail.
I know definitely what I wanted.
What
What?
did you want?
In the office.
You want it in the office? You want that's where you want Aurora to live?
And you know, quiet time every day in there, won't you?
Mm-hmm.
What if it scares the rats?
Let me keep it there. Oh, but it's going to be at your school.
Lydia, you want to look at the camera and say something to Grandma Julie?
Thank you.
Do you love your new horse?
Yeah.
Was that so nice of Grandma to get it for you?
Yeah. I think she's hungry. Cause she moves you all around.